guys, Spencer, and this is your Powerade. We went to the dollar store. Let me scoot back a little bit. Should have probably scoot forward. My face more. Sorry, I'm a little squished.
Whoa.
I had a TV right here and a blanket and a pillow. I had to sleep here and it's bad. Can I do it? Actually, no, it was pretty nice actually. Okay, so that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's way better.
So
Then my
we're
legs
doing
stuck
a taste test video. Also, when you talk, look into the camera. Right yourself, just so you know. So me and him went to the dollar store and we got weird bottle things.
Yeah, I don't know.
So this one's called
call
Cry
them
Baby
nipples.
Sour Mini Drinks. So
You just like tear them
that
off.
and yeah, it's weird. I've never had them before. And then there's called Nickel Nip.
Yeah, nickel nip.
They're nipples that are worth a nickel. So there they are. So we're gonna try them, and we're also, since Big League Chew isn't like so like obscure or anything, but we've just never tried it, so we're gonna do that too. So yeah, I think we should do Big League Chew first because it's just kind of like how it
And
is.
then we have these Powerades just in case it tastes
my
bad.
Powerade's back here. So I'll just leave mine right here.
I'm leaving mine with me. It's gonna be right in my
so let's try
crotch.
Big League Chew.
Nice.
It smells good.
Yeah, I already smell it. It smells like bubble gum.
Oh, it's like stringy.
String. It's a stringy. Oh.
It's weird. You see,
I think you just
that.
like grab bits and then just chew it.
Yeah. Well, bits. Let's grab some. So far, it tastes like gum.
Just gum, yeah. Cream stuck right there. Okay, got it.
Figured it was just gum.
I know. Tastes like regular bubble gum.
It's not bad though.
Yeah.
Like
This is actually very unique than other gums that I know. Because you know those cool ones are like tape?
yeah, it tastes like that. Have you ever had those tape bubblegum things? That's what it tastes like.
That's what it tastes like, and those are like my favorite.
So
Huh? Do we swallow them? No. Huh.
it's okay. It doesn't do anything to you, but if you have too much gum and you swallow it, it can clog up your butthole.
Yeah,
That you have to have a lot of gum.
like that, probably the whole thing.
More than that. 5 of those, maybe even more. I'm just gonna swallow mine with my card. I'm gonna keep chewing it. Actually, I'm gonna try to make a bubble.
I can't make bubbles, so I just swallowed it. That has a bitter taste with the Powerade.
Does it?
Yeah.
It's like brushing your teeth and then having orange juice.
Oh,
It's bad.
that's worse.
This gum is the best bubble ever.
I know, man. It's good. Best bubble gum ever.
So,
I really like it.
also, Mom, I'm recording, so don't interrupt. So, you see,
I can't do that.
that one wasn't a very good bubble. Oh, Pablo, come here, buddy. Come on, Pablo. You want a bone? Do you want a bone? Come here, buddy. Who's a good boy, Pablo? Wow. Small face. Jump up, buddy. Come on, Pablo. Jump
And
up.
then when he jumps up, he's gonna jump on me.
Come on, buddy. Pablo, do you want a bone? Jump up, buddy. Come on, do you want a bone?
He doesn't even care.
Oh, you just gone. Okay.
He just doesn't care about us.
Oh, sit.
He doesn't care about us, dude.
Excuse me.
He just doesn't
I
care.
brought this up actually a little bit more.
Yeah, so we can, like your face isn't like out of the frame.
There we go. That's actually
Yeah,
better.
that's actually a lot better.
Scoot into the frame a little more.
Yeah.
Oops.
I can't reach that, so. Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
That was good. You want to rate it?
Yeah, sure. Out of 10, I'd probably give it like an 8.
I'd probably give it 8 also. Because
Okay.
it tastes like the regular thing.
Yeah, I'll just use
bubblegum.
some tape or something.
So,
Since they're in these, they're like the different flavors or whatever. There's 10 of them. There's technically 5, but there's like 2 of each flavor. So, what we're gonna do regular ones first.
Because we need to prepare for the last.
Yeah, the sour ones. So, so it's bite them, drink them, chew them. They don't have names, but there's like a blue one, an orange one, a red one, a yellow one, and a green one.
Just that's why he's going by colors. We don't know what flavor there is because it doesn't even say.
Yeah, it doesn't say anything on the back or anything.
It just says peanut free.
It just says peanut free. I mean, yes, because I figured peanuts would be in these.
Exactly. Or it could be made in a peanut factory.
Oh, yeah, something. Alright, well, I'm gonna swallow it now.
Neither of us is allergic to peanut, right? You allergic to peanut?
No.
See, I'm not. I'm allergic to
Okay,
blueberry.
wait, where's my cap?
I'm not
For this?
that bad. It's blueberry. Blueberry. Like.
Where's my cap for the,
I don't know, man. It's right here.
Okay, thank you.
But, like when blueberries, like, mixed in this, it doesn't bother my throat as much. But when I, just regular blueberries, it, like,
Okay, so which one do you want to try first?
Throat. I'll try the orange, because that's my favorite color.
Okay.
What you gonna try?
No, we're gonna try both things, like the same thing.
So we're gonna try the
We can rate each individual, like, flavor.
So we're gonna try, 5 and 5?
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna each rate individual. Oh, it's weird. These things look really
cool. They look like,
yeah, they do look cool.
those root beer candies. Do you know those root beer candies? Yeah. You know how those root beer candies
Wait, let me just take out all of these. Okay, so this is your side. I'll just put these like there.
Oh,
and
so
then,
these are mine.
And then the rest of these.
Mine.
Mine.
Those are his, so. Yeah. Okay. So,
these.
The thing said that we supposed to carry them with our
yeah, like the caps. So look at this one. This one's orange.
Yeah.
So we're supposed to take off the caps. So. Oh, there's liquid in it. Okay, I'm gonna chew it. I'm supposed to eat them.
Oh, we're supposed to eat it?
Like the top. It's weird. It's pretty tasteless, actually. Tasteless. It's weird. Get off my cap.
I think this is regular plastic, though.
It says chew it. It says to eat it.
I think it means the liquid.
Bite them, drink them, chew them. Oh, that taste of the liquid, though. Huh, the taste of the fluid.
I don't think we're supposed to eat the plastic. I don't want to, like, I might have to, like, okay.
Yeah, it's something like plastic. I don't know. I don't think we should eat that.
I did. I just swallowed it.
Okay, well, the orange liquid. Not that bad. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess it's okay.
Silly. How much longer, guys?
A little bit longer. Okay, well, mine's gone. Yeah. I'll give that one, a 4.5 out of 10.
I'll give it a 5. Because of the plastic. I would have given it a 6.
Plastic.
But the
it says chew
plastic.
it. That is not plastic. Look at how easily I chewed that out.
I know, but it could be a different type of plastic. We don't know. I'm not gonna eat it. I'm just gonna do this. Just keep on biting and let the liquid
the liquid drain out when I bite it. Well, we can put our leftover plastic like on this.
Okay. Because I don't want to mess up your game cases. Yeah. See, he chews his. I actually swallowed mine. I hope that doesn't like bother my. So which one you choose now? Since I choose last.
I'll choose the yellow one. We should do like the blue and red last because those ones will probably be the most appetizing.
Yeah, because blueberry and then strawberry. Okay, 1, 2.
Oh wait, I need to do mine. Ooh, it tastes like lemon.
Yeah, that's sour. A little sour.
I'll say. It tastes like I'm not sure which Otter Pop, but it tastes like one of the Otter Pops.
Oh, probably a yellow one, most likely.
They're not yellow Otter Pops.
Yeah, there is yellow pops.
It tastes like the pink.
Really?
Mm.
That's probably like pink lemonade.
It's star fruit. Now this reminds me of the pink Otter Pops.
Mm. That's good, man. That's actually really good.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
What's your rating?
Oh, probably a decent 8.5 out of 10. I really like this one.
Let's just put it in the case.
Okay.
Because that's easier, because it'll probably just fall off.
Yeah, in the plastic. And we put the caps on this.
I'll just put everything in there. And then it's just... Because everything is just okay.
Alright, so I guess we should do the green
I don't
one
want to touch that.
next.
Because like I chewed that. Wait. This is mine. And then that's yours.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Which one's next? Yeah,
green.
Okay.
Okay.
I bet you it's going to taste like pear.
It tastes like pear.
I do it.
It does taste a little like pear.
Mm. I thought...
I actually really like this one.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like pear, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm liking this one.
Yeah, this one's good.
Yeah, this one's really good.
This is real... I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Oh, nice. That's actually a really good score.
Oh, yeah.
This most like one I liked.
The one that I like the least is probably the orange one so far.
Probably the lemon.
Well, which one do you want?
I'll go with red.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Red.
And then the blue's the last one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like the red Otter Pops.
Mm-hmm.
I like it a lot, actually. It was really good. This one's like strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. It's weird. It says chew 'em. Not often if it means like to eat the rest of the bottle. Kind of like plastic. Hey mom, what do you think? It looks kind of like plastic, but it says like chew it when you're done.
Chew it, but you don't swallow it.
Why would I chew it and not swallow it?
Because
It's like the juice
wax.
Oh, okay. So, what's wrong? I did something wrong. So, okay.
I would say,
for the red?
I think I would give it like 7 out of 10.
The red?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give it a 6.
6.
I like the juicy pear better.
Oh yeah, the green is my favorite so far. Okay, blue. Oh my god, that's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like the blue Otter Pop mixed with the green Otter Pop.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oh man, yeah. This is by far my favorite. 9.5.
I'll give it a 9. That's the best rating I can give it.
Oh man, okay.
Next one. This. The sour. That's probably gonna be the. Let's not try to tear the bag the most, but just like kind of,
A little bit. Alright, well I think we should, man, these are actually, I pretty good.
It's sour.
I think we should go like in the same order as we did last time.
Yeah. So we started off with orange, right?
Yeah. So yeah, that's your side.
Green, red, and then blue.
Yeah, okay. Here and
Orange, sour orange.
Yeah. Or wait, actually there are names for these ones. It's called Overload Orange. Oh, that's really sour. Oh my god. I bit off the cap. And it's already like dying. Oh, okay, you should use this package for like spitting your things in, and I'll use this one for mine. Dude, that that is so sour. I haven't even I took off the cap and that's it.
I like did the whole thing. I can't imagine the yellow.
I hate this.
I hate it.
I need to finish it though. Ah! Oh my god, that's bad.
If you really like sour stuff, it
Sour.
for me personally, I give
I give.
something else. Okay. Well, I'm a
Yeah. The palate.
that's good. I'm is
Oh,
what? Oh, that's me. Want it?
It's scary. The whole thing.
Is that so bad?
Mm.
If we don't swallow.
Mm.
Give it a 4 out of 10 because that was sour. If you like sour stuff, I'll give
it
that.
0.5.
I'll give it not. Give it 9 out of 10 if you like sour stuff.
It's green. Okay, sorry for that cut. For some reason, it wasn't recording properly. So.
I already tried
Also,
mine.
we noticed that the video earlier was very laggy. So it's okay. We can continue. So he tried the green one. I haven't yet.
Yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10 for sour people. They like it, and I give it a 4 out of 10 for me.
Mm.
He's gonna try it now.
I'm not gonna bite off the cap.
It's disgusting. It's not disgusting. It's just so sour. That's why I don't give it a
Dude, you
1.
should like spend the night next weekend,
I know, that would be so cool.
and then we could do this.
Again, really. Oh, that would suck.
But like again, but like that counts. Okay,
Yeah.
whatever. So let me try the
We
green.
already talked about it. Just go. What? Hold up. Let me see the name. It was electric lime. It's bad, man. I know. Just put it in there. It's bad. It's bad. It's.
Hey guys, sorry about that. I had to stop because too much disk space and it was just weird. So yeah, I guess that's it. I see you in the next video. That was pretty much the rest of the video. We had like 2 more flavors and they were bad and sour, but they weren't as bad as the others. So yeah.